Hello there, this is One on One Studio and I'm Hugo. Greetings from Istanbul. Today I'm at the Büyükada. I want to take some pictures of the Greek orphanage and finally I found a chance to visit the space. I will start my journey in the city center, take test footage with my camera. Let's jump into the video and we'll talk afterwards. Ferry. It takes like 2 hours from Kabataş to here. Well, I have in-depth review of this camera in different videos. If you are curious about them too, you can watch them. I walked all the way to the orphanage. It's not allowed to get inside, but I'm trying to take some pictures across the fence. Well, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It's really helpful for the future of this channel. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos. I'm Hugo. Bye.